Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. So girls, stop wasting your mornings if you want to look stylish without the 30-minute styling routine. You need a low maintenance haircut. Here are the top ideas of low maintenance hairstyles in today's my collection. These are ideas for 2026. First up, the texture Pixie. It's all about layers. Use a teeny bit of hair wax, ruffle it up, and you are out the door. No heat required. Second, the French bob is designed to look better as it air dry. It frames your face perfectly and looks rich girls chic with zero effort. The blunt cut, because it's all one length, it's super easy to manage. Just wash, brush and let it shine. Next, shaggy hairstyle. Love volume. The short shag uses your natural texture. The layers do the work for you. Messy is the goal here. Beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyles for girls, for women, for mature women. And please must share with me which one would you try. Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to save this for your next salon visit. So ladies, see you soon in the next video. Take care and bye bye.